welcome back to the channel. Another quick tech tip slash DIY. I have a 2016 BMW M5. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to change out the wiper blades. But there is a catch because there is a simple little process to be able to change the wiper blades. I know what you're saying. It's always something, and I totally agree. But on my M5 here and a lot of F10s, you can't pull up the wiper all the way because it hits the hood. It's just the way it's designed right there. But I'm going to show you the quick, easy process to do it all in this video. Let's go ahead and get this quick DIY started. Next up, to do the wiper blades, you want to turn the car on, not fully start it, then turn it right off. As soon as you turn it off, hold the stock all the way up for a couple seconds, and then you'll see the wiper blades fold out to this position. Go ahead and put on the new wiper blades. Very easy to change. Flip up, pull out. This one's going to be the longer one of the bunch. Slide on the new one. Fold down. Put back. Now we'll do this one. Flip it down like this. Just pulls straight out. Take our new one. Put it on. And then fold back down.
Now that change is complete, I'm just go ahead and turn the car on and return it to the position.
All right, just what you saw, very easy tech tip and DIY to do it. You know, wiper blades are the simplest thing that you really need to be able to do on your BMW as far as changing stuff out. But as always, a little process to get you to that step. I picked up the wiper blades from fcpeuro.com. Now FCPeuro has that lifetime replacement guarantee, and guess what, guys? My wiper blades are covered for when these fail. I'll be able to get another set, part of their lifetime replacement guarantee. So check it out down in the description box below, guys. Big thumbs up on today's quick little DIY. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out some more videos I have of my 2016 M5 here, and also about 450 videos on my 2008 BMW 335i. Lots of DIYs, lots of videos on that platform as well. But I also do have quite a bit of videos on the M5, a bunch of install stuff, tuning, all that good stuff here on the channel as well. Thanks again, guys, and I'll be chatting with you on the next video. Take care.